great start to your day. I am just now tasting the pumpkin spice latte from Dunkin' Donuts, and he has the, what you have? Oat milk something. And how does it taste?
I'm not getting it again.
Oh, okay. He's not getting that again. It tastes like oat milk. Oat milk is pretty good though. It's pretty healthy. So I have the oat milk pumpkin spice latte that I'm going to test that. And then what is the sandwich that you got me? Some kind of new sandwich.
Turkey power sandwich, something.
Turkey power sandwich. Oh, the egg has spinach in it and tomatoes or red peppers or something. So I'm going to taste that and see how it tastes, as well as the pumpkin. What, you didn't shake it up all the way? Pumpkin spice latte. I asked for a medium. Look like this is a large to me, but oh, this is yummy. That's good. Gotta shake it up a little bit though. The sandwich has turkey sausage on it and like an omelet and some cheese. So we're gonna see how this tastes, and some healthy bread. Go through traffic trying to get to where we're going. They have us going over a bridge, and oh my God. Yeah, we had to go through traffic and we got stuck on the highway because it was an accident. So we are had to take a back route, whatever.
Not go through traffic.
Whatever. We're on a bridge. Ooh, Lord, I got claustrophobia up here already. Now we're in Kentucky, and just please watch where you're going and don't do that. Why are you doing that? Driving like that, the way you're doing.
What am I doing?
In the name of Jesus, I claim victory, Lord. I claim victory. All that body of water, I just, oh, Jesus. What the hell? What the hell? Please stop playing games. How you driving like that?
Well, what did I just do?
On our way to my cousin's wedding. Yes. I don't care what you say. I really don't like you. That's why I would never ever. I would never get on a ride with you. No, I literally. You no. Whew. I can tell, yes, that I am the oldest, okay? That was a ride for sure. So hopefully we will not be late to the 5 o'clock wedding. It is 2 o'clock right now, and my GPS says we have an additional 2.5 hours left. So we finally got to the hotel. Never stayed at this hotel before. I guess I can say I was pretty impressed. Outdoor setting, very engaging. Nice fire pit there. Board game of checkers. Very interesting. It wasn't too expensive either. It's a part of Hilton. Had a lot of nice, interesting things in here that would encourage me to possibly come back and stay. I'm happy that they have required masks. They have a computer desk for if you're out working or something of that sort, little cubby holes for relaxation, a nice gym, which I never go in. I don't know why I always look in them, but overall the hotel was very nice. It had a nice open room if you wanted to gather and play pool or to just hang out and chill. So I thought this was pretty cool. Kind of reminded me of another hotel I stayed in a while ago, but it's its own brand, and they had coffee all day long, which is a good thing. Love that. Love those lights too. Pretty nice. Yep. We finally made it here. Where's the plug? The push. Duh. Finally made it. Yeah. Are you excited for your cousin Annika getting married?
I just hope it ain't cold.
You hope it ain't cold. You hungry? What's that right here? Open up the door. Oh, hit my bed here. Let me go to the bathroom right here. All right, let's see how. Never been in this hotel before. Oh, it's kind of cute. I'll turn the air off. They think it's still wintertime or summertime. Cute little bathroom. Okay, because I got to hurry up and get ready because we are running late. They don't have no tub. Okay. No tub. It's cool. Toilet clean. Good hair day. I'm not having one. Got to do my hair right now. I don't know what that is, but it's cute. The bed, I like this comforter. Nice, like the curtains over there. Not a pretty view, but still cute. Turn the air off. Got a nice size TV. So we got to get ready. Rushing as always. Cute, small, quaint room. And it's gonna do its purpose. Very clean. That's all that matters to me, that it's clean. Nice. No carpet on the floor. Ain't gotta worry about allergies or nasty people walking on the carpet. The hotel does not have bar soap. Because it's the kind of soap they have. Squeeze gently and it'll come out.
And no matter what we go through, love will still remain. So do what you want, baby. You and me in the sun. Know that I still be here when the day is done. So come a little bit closer, and I'll tell you what I feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Yes, I'm gonna wait on you. No one's gonna love you like I do. So glad that I found you. You're the missing piece, the last piece of the puzzle. I'm finally at ease. So when times are rough and the promises we made just seem so hollow and weak, and we're about to break, we have to remind ourselves, 'cause we know how we feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. pouring rain. And no matter what we go through, love will still remain. So do what you want, baby. You and me in the sun. Know that I'll still be here when the day is done. So come a little bit closer, and I'll tell you what I feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Yes, I'm gonna wait on you. No one's gonna love you like I do. So glad that I found you. You're the missing piece, the last piece of the puzzle. I'm finally at ease. So when times are rough and the promises we make just seem so hollow and weak, and we're about to break, we have to remind ourselves, 'cause we know how we feel.